everyone. We're currently at the Big Beechy Trailhead in the Cranberry Wilderness. And we're going to be doing around a 3-mile in and then backpack overnight. And it's going to be about a 7-mile round trip. We're supposed to be hiking to a plane crash. And thanks to Syntex 77 for pointing that out, because we were coming up here anyway and that added a little bit more to our adventure. So we'll be checking it out soon. It should be around where we'll be camping. But let's get started. Definitely gonna be a rain trip, that's for sure.
I guess we'll test out the waterproofness of the radios.
Yeah.
Camping here, right?
Let's camp beside this structure.
And of course, the start of our hike, we are parked at the Big Beechy Trailhead. We'll be going down Big Beechy and hitting the district line, camping right about here, and then coming back out the next day. Already out of breath. It's ridiculous, right?
Definitely. I have a plan for my weight. And that's to eat it.
It's going to be a very muddy, very wet trip.
Around here. Oh, twice. Oh, this is twice.
Hey, this is kind of cool looking though.
Mm-hmm.
A little debris in the trail here.
Yeah, Bruce.
Mountain man took the hard way.
Yeti goes to the woods.
Yeti goes through the woods.
Where there's nowhere.
This isn't cool.
Whoa. Could have used the rest of hand out there. Could have used your vaulting trekking pole. Trekking pole. Trekking pole.
Trekking pole vault.
That's what I did with these. Immediately. They were wet for like 8 days.
Okay, Yeti, what's our weather report?
Weather report. It's gonna rain!
How long is it gonna rain?
Forever! Might as well call this Washington. Or are you talking about your backpack?
There are definitely no water sources other than that nasty stuff over there, is a.
See, I should have looked at that 450 label off of it. I was going to bring my canteen too, but I didn't.
That was the thing I didn't necessarily need to put on.
Yeah.
And then the rain, the blanket was the
Bolton hydration pack, pretty good. Hydration pack, yeah. How much do you have on? I don't even look. I wonder if the bladders are new. See, I have one just like those green on there, like right in front. Yep. I have a woodland thing on just like that one. And I mean, I could clean the bladder probably. It's just had water on it. Yeah. But it's been sitting around probably for about 8 years. I've got a block in it.
I know. There's probably a creature living inside of it now. Backpack ammo can? Never mind. Come over here.
Well, if this is the wrong trail, I guess we'll just hike back out in the morning and hike the right one. Because it's only 3 miles in.
Excuse me. Motherfucker, where are we?
Mm-hmm.
Big key.
That's not.
Looks like somebody had a chainsaw.
I just rained on myself.
There's more snow over there. More snow over there. That's a French toast.
What's a French toast? We got a little bit of snow.
Well, we're setting up camp. We didn't make it to the plane today. Rain set in on us, so we're going to try to do that tomorrow.
I also forgot my rain jar.
So we're makeshifting. At least we have 2 that are big enough to cover all the hammocks, so we're good.
Using the hand of Saruman.
I'm over here trying to get a fire started, but all the wood is super wet, so I've been splitting it, trying to get it dry in the center. Get a little walk around. I'm trying to get that to catch a little bit before I mess with it anymore. So we are next to this awesome little stream. Be nice to hear that at night while we're sleeping. Well, we found a nice little camp spot, nice little fire ring here. So they get the fire situated and they get the tarps up before the next wave of rain sets in. We're going to fix something to eat. But I wanted to show everyone this. Apparently, it has snowed within the last few because there are lots of remnants of snow around. Which is pretty cool. But yep, it's the nice frozen leftover stuff, but it's still here. And it got in the 70s today, so not so much here. I see smoke on the fire ring. That's a good sign. Hopefully it's not went out. But I'm going to go back to tending to the fire, try to get that thing started with all the wet wood. They're going to finish setting the tarps up. And we'll be setting down to get something to eat.
I love it now. That's a warning.
Not pretty, but at least it's burning.
Hey, it's burning. That's beautiful to me.
Snack time.
Snacky puff.
Got the fire going. Waiting on some water to boil. Got the ramen cooking in the fire. Got some mountain houses getting ready to be rehydrated. And it is super cloudy. We're supposed to get thunderstorms around 9. We got the tent set up back there with our hammocks all boxed in and stuff, little tarps.
Wow.
I think he melted his cooked meat.
Stanley, fix this crap. Put a fucking key ring on there. Criminy. Criminy.
See, mine's metal. Metal.
Metal. Tubes.
Alright, we're going to sit here around the fire and get something to eat. So, if the storms start, I will record those also because I have a feeling that we're going to be waiting out through the night.
Across our south, mainly dry conditions are expected through the first half of the overnight with chances for showers and thunderstorms increasing after midnight. Some of these storms may produce locally heavy rainfall and hail. A cold front will bring additional showers and thunderstorms for Sunday morning into midday Sunday before exiting to the east. Some of these storms could produce locally damaging wind gusts. Cooler air can then be expected behind the front to start the new work week. After a warmer day Tuesday, a stronger cold front will cross midweek.
Well, we picked a good day, didn't we?
Okay, remember I forgot my ring. lights blinking?
Yep. Let's remove the water from the lens. We'll go ahead and make the best of this. So it has rained all freaking night.
Oh, night long.
And this lovely tarp here decided to pull water and dump it on all of our heads randomly throughout the night. We just didn't know which one was going to do what.
Are you leaving lines on it?
So we're breaking down right now and getting ready to head over here and cross the water. We've been keeping an eye on it. It has went up a little bit. But we have to climb that hill right there because that's where the trail's at. But all in all, still a good trip. Just a little wet. Held off long enough last night to have a good fire. But I think it's here to stay. Oh, my bad force over here. Don't come over here. Almost lost my shoe. Wow. Yeah, I almost lost my shoe. Wait a minute.
I always use the trees, way. Yeah, I think so too.
Oh, okay, there is a cairn. I see it.
Highland Scenic.
Oh, no, there's a pond over here. That's frogs.
It is frogs.
Oh, wow. Take two of trying to find the plane crash in the Cranberry Wilderness. We just hiked back to the parking area, dropped the packs off at the Jeep to be a little bit lighter, and we're going to head out and continue to try to do the thing that we started to do in the first place before we missed the junction. And like I said, I want to add that into the video because mistakes do happen, especially in here in this area. The trails aren't marked. A lot of them, you kind of got to use your GPS or a map, and it's really easy to get turned around and go the wrong direction. But we're going to walk back up to where we seen the cairn and then go through the field and try to find, what kind of plane is it?
A Cessna 414.
And it has been raining since about 11 o'clock last night. Heavy rain, thunderstorms, so everything is mushy. I actually sank my boot. You can see here the line actually was sunk in like a moggy, mushy mud earlier. So we're just taking our time and enjoying it. Oh wow. That's so cool looking.
I'd crash a plane here.
Oh wow. There's a campfire spot over there. Huh?
Wish went the right way.
Yep. Feel all the moss.
Yeah.
Now again, I will. I'll sneak them up. Secret. What's that?
I was already like this.
So, let me get some water off there, but Big Beechy Trail, it is now hailing on us. It went from 60 degrees and thunderstorming this morning to hail.
It's fucking terrible.
You see it? Look at that. That is hail, and it hurts. It's pretty bad. Needless to say, the plane
And this is where we picked up.
picking up, camera died. But we all are currently soaking wet from head to toe. Our underlayers are soaking wet. And we're freezing to death because it's cold enough to hail and snow on us right now. So we are about a mile from the vehicle. Yeah, we're ready for a heater. So rain check on the plane crash. We're going to hit it up next time. But I will try to give directions to get to that for anyone. But word of advice, it's not marked. The trail is not marked. District Line Trail is absolutely terrible. Make sure you have a GPS and do not rely on phones because there is no cell service. Definite pocket GPS. But, moving on. Hey guys, so I'm doing a finishing up video for the last adventure that we went on in Monongahela National Forest. We did not get any ending video for that one because we ran out of battery life due to the ice and the cold weather. It wasn't a very good trip. We did get hypothermia to a certain degree and lost feeling in our toes and fingers by the time we got back to the Jeep. So, doing this finishing video, that way I can post the adventure to show you how it did snow and rain and sleet on us. We started out 70-degree camping, drizzling. The weather stated it was supposed to clear up, but it did not. We decided to do a day hike to find the ruins of the plane that we were looking for. We didn't take any packs. We just packed a small snack and water because it was only a 3-mile hike. And we do this all the time, but we were totally unprepared because 70 degrees turned into downpours, soaking wet clothes, about 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts, which turned into 36 degrees and snow. So, all I need to say on this ending note is always prepare for the worst. Doesn't matter if it is 70, 60, you never know in mountainous range that it could turn for the worst. So safety, always safety. We did not enjoy ourselves much, but it is a learning experience and we are going to conquer that trail again and go back to do it. But as always, we are currently in the New River. I'm camping again, so I'll be posting a video to that one. But as always, guys, be safe out there. Always over-prepare because you never know what's going to happen. Snow sucks when you're wet. Trust me. Very, very cold. And until next time, always enjoy hiking. Always be safe out there. And hope to see you guys on the trail.